Could AI race cars replace human drivers? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and autonomous car racing is revving up. We know that Tesla and Amazon are leading the way when it comes to self-driving vehicles, and now we're seeing just how powerful autonomous vehicles can be on the racetrack. The Indy Autonomous Challenge took place in Vegas earlier this year, with 9 teams from 17 universities spanning 6 different countries. The winning team from the Polytechnic University of Milan reached a max speed of 180 miles per hour, which is a new world record on the autonomous racetrack. Now, there are many benefits when it comes to autonomous driving, but it leaves us with a really big question. Will this take jobs away from human race car drivers we know and love?
Start your software and crank your engines.
Now, if AI race cars and other vehicles become the future, we may see fewer people physically driving cars, especially in the professional racing world. Proponents argue that this could ultimately lead to more jobs in the science, technology, engineering, and math field, or STEM, world, and it may even encourage more young people to take up an interest in those advanced fields. You can check out our story about Amazon's first self-driving vehicle by heading over to cyberguy.com and typing in Amazon self-driving car. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.